Hey everybody! I know that you'll be thoroughly thrilled by my exciting background with the light switch behind. So I'm in a little bit of a rush as usual when filming this video because I am on my lunch break, and this package arrived from Tarte, and I was actually very good, and I almost opened the packet, but then I stopped myself and thought, no, at lunchtime I will film this video and do sort of an unboxing video for my Tarte products. I was actually very worried because I ordered this and it was free shipping, which was amazing, and then I suddenly started to think, oh no, what if I get charged loads of money like at customs? But I didn't. You don't need to hear all of that. So I am going to not waste any time. I'm going to get started and open this. So here we go. I just get super excited when makeup deliveries come. It just makes my day. Oh look, they're all very prettily wrapped up. It's got writing inside. Share your good for you glamour IRL. Rethink natural. So these are the things I ordered. They were both in the sale, the things, and I think they were sets. I need to just remember and remind myself. This is quite cute how they've packaged this up. I like it. Look at this. Whoa! Oh, so pretty! Oh, I'm so excited! Wow, look at this! So, as you can see, these are the things I ordered. So this one is a set of 5 of their lip paints. So you've got, I don't know which order they're in, but it's saying it's got Bling, Pillow Talk, Vibin, and Xoxo. So I don't know which ones they are without opening them, but that is the first thing. Let's have a quick look inside. Oh, this is so fun. Look at their packaging, it's so pretty, and it looks Christmassy, because I think this is probably maybe their Christmas, something they brought out for Christmas, I don't know. But let's have a look. I haven't actually ever tried any Tarte products, so this is new for me. This one is, okay, so this is Vibin. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but look how gorgeous that is. It's such a nice shade. Oh, that's amazing. Does it smell? It doesn't smell, but that doesn't matter. Should I do swatches? I never do swatches because it makes me sad, but I will, just for you. So here's this one. That's what that looks like. Oh, it's very nice. It's like a rusty kind of reddish colour. That's gorgeous. Then we've got this one here, which is Pillow Talk. This is like a nude colour, which is pretty. That's what this one looks like. So, as I said, it's like a nude colour. I don't normally tend to wear nude colours. I normally go for like the darker, deeper tones, but I think that will be quite nice. It's always good to have some nude lip colours. Next up, we have Low Key. Did I even say that on the packet? No, I didn't. It didn't list this one on there, but oh, it's because I was reading it from there. So it's got Low Key as well. So this is Low Key. I like the look of this. This is nice. Lovely. So that's just slightly darker than Pillow Talk. I think this is my favourite one so far, actually. It's really nice. Oh, I think I spoke too soon. I've just seen this. This is my favourite. I don't even know what it looks like on yet, but it looks gorgeous. I like the kind of like berry toned ones. This one's called Bling, and it looks so gorgeous. I think I'm going to love this one. Oh, look at that. That's so nice. Oh, it's like a pinky colour. It's really pretty. I cannot wait to use this one. I think in my next video I'm going to be using this for definite. And then last but not least is Xoxo. This is kind of similar to this one. It's got like maybe more of a bright red colour. This is more rusty and this one's more of a sort of true red colour. I like the idea of having a red in a liquid lipstick because I don't think I have one yet that I like. That's a very nice red colour. So there we have it. Those are my swatches of the gorgeous lip colours that I bought. I think I would have to say that the Bling one is my favourite. And yeah, actually looking at them on my arm, I do really like this one as well. They're all so lovely though. I think that this one is probably my least favourite at the bottom here, the red. But that doesn't mean I don't like it. I think it looks gorgeous. Wow. Very nice. I am happy with them. Moving on, I'm going to look at this little kit that I got as well. So this has got a little, I think, eyeshadow palette, and then it's got a mascara as well. So let's have a look. Ooh, I got a little sample thing as well. That's nice. That's a sample of their Shape Tape concealer. Obviously, a lot of people go on about this. I haven't actually tried it yet. I use the sort of cheap dupe version, which is like the Revolution makeup one, which is quite good, but I don't know how to compare it to this, but I'll know now. Look at this! Look at that! It does stuff. Can you see it on here? So this is the eyeshadow palette. It looks so nice. So these are the shades. They're just kind of like, they're nice berry tones, sort of pinky shades. It's so pretty actually. That's really nice. This is a nice little kit to take on holiday with you if you don't want to take too much stuff in your case. This is a nice little one that you can use, so I love it. I'm not going to swatch this one now because I don't know. I know this is like, this makes me a terrible YouTuber because I don't like doing swatches, but maybe one day I will do more swatches, but right now I'm not going to do that. I will use this in a makeup video at some point soon just to show you a look with it. It's nice as well because it's got a mirror on it. I like that a lot. And then here's the little sort of travel sized mascara. So this is Lights Camera Lashes. Oh, that looks nice. I like the look of that. And obviously Tarte are cruelty free as well, so that makes it so much better. I don't know why. Does anybody else do this? Does anybody else smell their mascara when they get it? I must be strange if nobody else does it. But I just like the smell of mascara. Oh, and it makes a nice click when you shut it. But I will be using this in a video, so I will show you what this is like as well. Oh no, I've just got all of the swatches on my top. That's not good. These are all of my exciting purchases from Tarte. I am so excited to use them. I can't wait to show you them and yeah, show you my first impressions. So thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm going to go now and rush off back to work. So goodbye and have a good weekend.